Welcome to question bank. Today's question is a transmission line has a total series reactance of 0.2 per unit. A reactive power compensation is provided at midpoint of the line and that maintains the voltage 0.9 per unit at midpoint. If voltage at both the end of the line is 1 per unit, then steady state power transfer limit of the transmission line is dash. This is the question, and here suppose this one is the line, and I am dividing it to two parts to mention that compensation. This is the sending end, and here also 1 per unit voltage given, and here also 1 per unit given voltage, and here is the midpoint, and here a compensation is given, any type of reactive compensation, and it is maintaining voltage at midpoint to be 0.98 per unit. And another thing given is here, the total series reactance of line is 0.2 per unit. So for half of the line this will be 0.1 per unit, and the another half this will be 0.1 per unit. These are the two parts here. So here this is the main thing, and it is asking for the question steady state power transfer limit. One thing you have to remember that in power system like these questions, one question is very important, that is regarding the steady state power transfer limit, and the formula is given by EV by X. X is the total reactance of the line, but here there is a twist in this question, because here the total line is not maintaining the constant voltage. Here this is at the midpoint, voltage is lower, so we have to consider the lower part. So here the steady state power limit will be E, that is 1 per unit, here 1 per unit into 0.98 by X is 0.1 per unit, and this will be 9.8 per unit. This is for this part. This is 9.8 per unit, and of course for this part also this will be 9.8 per unit, because this is also 1 and this is 9.8 per unit. And here this is considered to be the steady state resultant steady state power transfer limit of the total line, and here answer will be A. And here I want to explain something more, that is if here this is 1 per unit, and if suppose here this is given 1 per unit and here this is given 1 per unit, and suppose I am changing question like this, 0.96 per unit here, and here this is I am given at the receiving end, suppose 0.98 per unit. So what will happen? Suppose this one is I am maintaining A, this one is B I am, and this is also suppose C, and from A to C suppose the steady state power transfer limit will be 1 into 0.96 by 0.1, this will be 9.6, and from C to B this will be 0.96 into 0.98 by 0.1, and this will be 9.41 per unit. This is per unit and this is also per unit. So what will happen, we will consider the steady state power transfer limit of the whole line to be this one 9.41 per unit, because if this part of the line is transferring only highest 9.41 per unit, then how can this must transfer more than that? So this thing will be considered to be the resultant steady state power transfer limit of the whole line. So this is one thing we have to remember. So this is the explanation of the solution of this question. So thank you for watching up to here.